Hi guys, welcome back again to a new video. So it's Mama of French Girls, and today we are in the kitchen, guys. For all my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. For the new subscribers, thank you for coming, for stopping by, guys. So as I said, we are in the kitchen. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my local seasoning for my chicken, my fish, to season my chicken, my fish. I'll just show you guys what I use like every day, like a everyday thing. What do I use like my seasoning? So just keep watching, guys.
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down.
To do this seasoning, what we are going to be needing is onion, garlic, seasoning pepper, scallions with some how do they call this one, persil. I do not know the English name for this one. So yeah, and some vinegar from this, and obviously we'll be needing the blender. So first I will go ahead to cut these scallions in 2 or 3 because it's too big to put inside the blender. Like this. And like this. This is it. So inside this blender, I'm gonna be chopping the garlic, the pepper. You can add bell pepper if you wish. Let me cut this onion in two. Just like this. I will add a bit of water. And then I'll go ahead with a bit of vinegar. We won't be putting much, just a little. And then we blend. And then we blend this. So after blending it, I keep my jars for just for my seasoning. So I will just be pouring it inside. You do not want it too thick, you do not want it too watery. So this is why I added a little bit of water, because it would have been very thick if I left it without water. But then I don't want it too thick, neither too watery. So this is it. This is the consistency that I'm looking for. And I'll just go ahead and add it inside my jar. So this is how I do my own seasoning, and I will just add it to my chicken, and then I will add my salt and my cube and any other thing inside the chicken. So I keep it in my fridge. You can keep it for as long as you want inside your fridge. When mine is done, I buy my stuffs again and I prepare another one. So this is it, guys. So thank you all so much. This onion is making my eye cry. So thank you all so much for watching my video, and if you have watched up until now, thank you so much, and leave a comment down below in the comment section to tell me if you would be trying this or not. So yeah, so thank you all so much for watching my video, and I'll see you all guys in the next one. So for now, bye.
On n'aime pas trop parler, trop de gens déshumanisés. C'est sûr personne n'aime travailler, mais si tu veux manger faut se bouger.